Hi guys, I'm Etienne from Tribe. Today I'm going to tell you a powerful way to make money on social media. Tribe allows you to get paid by promoting brands you already use and love. I will show you in 5 steps how to get your first deal as a content creator. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the app. You can get the Tribe app via the App Store or Play Store. You can also find the links in the description below. Step 2. Find the right campaign. On Tribe, brands from a large variety of categories will post fresh campaigns daily. You can scroll to find something you like or search via your favorite categories. Once you found a campaign that is a good fit for you and your followers, click through to see what the brand is hoping for. Step 3. Submit your content. Source the product if you don't already have it. Sometimes, if the product is not yet in stores or at a higher price point, the brand will offer to ship it to you first. Once sorted, it is time to be creative. You can look at the mood board to get inspiration and see what the brand is looking for. My advice is feel free to add your own style and unleash your creativity. Honestly, that's what the brand is looking for. Once your post is ready, jump back into the app. Click Create a Submission, upload your post, write a caption, include all required tags, set your price, and submit. Step 4. Get approved by the brand. Next, the brand reviews all submissions for the campaign and approves the one they want to use. Occasionally, they may reach out if they need you to tweak something. If you don't get approved, don't worry. There are hundreds more campaigns in the palm of your hand. Our most successful creators are submitting to multiple campaigns all the time. Step 5. Get paid. Once your submission is approved, you have 48 hours to publish it. And then you get paid. One last bit of inspiration. Our top 10 creators have made over $100,000 each. We will be making more videos with tips on how to be successful on Tribe. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you. See you next time.